This one has a pure vein in the middle. On the sides it has bits and pieces of white. And this one looks more like a night sky. This roundish one has also a vein in the middle. So now I'm gonna remove these from the nails. I haven't been doing a lot of dopping recently. I think I really enjoy it. It's quick, but for the shaping, I think I'm gonna do it without dopping and dopping it later. So to remove the stone, I'm gonna put some heat. I'm gonna use my little butane torch. My right hand will be gauging the temperature, and my left hand will be catching the stone with a paper towel.
Oh, it scares me.
If you put too much heat, then you may break your stone. If your right hand feels the heat, then you know when to stop.
Oh.
It is a disclaimer, do it at your own risk. Some stones will be more fragile than others. I'm letting the nails cool off. Before setting it, I'm gonna remove the CA glue at the back. I also want to show you the other stone that I've previously cut. I put 2 pieces of black nephrite on the sides and a green Quebec nephrite in the middle. All the bags are the fine silver strips. I wrapped them and then I'm gonna solder them. After pickling my pieces, I put them around the stones and I rock them on a wooden surface. When the strip is all snug around the stone, then I'm going to do the base. Wear your mask, your eyes and your lungs will love you. Now I'm using some sandpaper to flatten the bottom part of my bezel. So when I solder, everything touches. It's radioactive. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and have a look at my social media and website. See you around!